So you might be in this really weird situation where for some reason your particular Instagram application, whenever you're posting a photo on Instagram, sometimes the photos are just in really bad or poor quality, and you're trying to figure out what the problem here is. Now, the first thing and the main reason why something like this can end up happening is because of the compression of that particular photo. So what you want to do is that photo that you're taking, that you're posting from your particular app, just know that it's always going to be compressed. Instagram does not post full quality photos. So because of that, all these photos that you're going to be posting on Instagram, they're going to be of less quality. So keep that in mind. So for one, if you're automatically doing a lot of cropping in the photo or anything like that, you want the photo in and of itself beforehand to be as great of a quality as possible. Now, number two, when you're actually going through and posting a photo, so let's say I'm going here and I'm clicking post. Well, if I'm going through, let's say I'm taking a photo like, this one, and let's say I'm taking this and I'm zooming in too much or I'm zooming out too much or whatever the case is, sometimes the photo quality can change quite a bit because of those particular actions. So what you're going to want to do here is making sure that you're not zooming in too much and that you're not, kind of editing the photo too much once it's already posted here. On top of that, if you click next, sometimes if the photo that you're posting, as you can see, I don't even know what this is. Sometimes if you're putting a filter over it, it can kind of edit up the photo, make it look a little different. On top of that, your photo settings should already be pretty good, meaning that the photo yourself should already be of high quality when you're posting it. There's already standard quality when you're posting photos. So it's not like Instagram is going to change the way the photo looks output-wise, but also sometimes it can mean that your internet connection may be a little bit faulty when you're posting the photo because it may appear, kind of blurry or a little bit like bad quality at first, but then after posting it, it seems fine. So just keep that in mind. Sometimes when you're posting a photo on Instagram too, there's a little bit of time where it kind of processes the photo. So sometimes you're just gonna have to kind of let the photo just sit there, kind of process it out a little bit, but usually that's kind of the main way to go and fix this problem for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.